NEET 2020 COVID-19 question. The angle of 1 minute of arc in radian is nearly equal to. Now see here, 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. So convert 1 minute into degree. So it is 1 into 1 upon 60. So it is 1 upon 60 minute. Now 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Then 1 upon 60 degree is equal to how much radian? So 1 upon 60, pi it means 3.14 upon 180. So 314, 10 raised to minus 2, 18 into 6 into 10 raised to 2. So 314 upon 108 into 10 raised to minus 4. So approx answer is 2.91 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian.